the Skill Nest provide the children essential 21st century skills for them to thrive confidently throughout their childhood by molding them into responsible youngsters. We are staffed with experienced educators dedicated to fostering each child's growth and learning in a nurturing environment. Our diverse programs are tailored for different age groups, ensuring that children receive age-appropriate education and activities that stimulate their minds and bodies. Skillness prioritizes individual attention, ensuring that each child receives the support they need to thrive both academically and socially. Therefore, we provide small group sessions to maintain our standards. Our both branches in Malawi and Banaduru provide a safe, welcoming environment that feels like a second home, making it easier for children to transit into their learning journey. English medium instruction helps children to develop strong language